Yes, welcome to the 94th day LTB Light team. Uh, Making the journals, doing the magic in brother light, bringing our people back to their roots. The journey is gradual, the journey is steady, and we'll get there. And today, I want you to understand what darkness is. Uh, Nobody can discount the power of darkness. The world is divided into two. It is not divided between the rich and the poor. It is not divided between the haves and the have-nots. It's not divided between the blacks and whites. The Torah said that the world is divided between lights and darkness. And the Creator saw that the light he made was good. Everything he made was good. Darkness too was good. Darkness too was good. Everything he made was good, including the darkness too. So who are we to say that darkness is bad? We cannot tell you that darkness is bad. That means that we are not from the ancient of days. We recognize where we are coming from. The natural state of all man, the natural state of all humanity is darkness. Did you understand that very word? That is the natural state. The comfort zone of everyone is darkness. But there are certain things that the universe uses to make us to live that our comfortable state, that our comfort zone, that our natural state, which is darkness. It's okay to trek by feet to the market square because there is no car. It's okay to walk on horseback because there is no train. It's okay when our people had to go by canoe across regions and take many months, many years before they can reach their destination. But you know what? It is only light that makes us ask the right questions and find the right solution. And to begin to shift from that dark state of mind into an enlightened state of mind. Light makes us make these inventions, make these investments. Intelligence, plant it like it's in our own children, in our own land, in our own people, in our own generation. Light. Darkness is also good in the second part. Without darkness, how can you appreciate light? But we don't want you to dwell in darkness. If there's anybody who is going to dwell in darkness, it's not me, it's not us, it's not you that is listening to this very video today. Somebody loved you so well that he does not want you to dwell under the comforts of darkness, hiding for whatever reason, hiding whatever you want to hide. Secret, keeping a secret, a deadly secret that is destroying you, eating you from the grounds up and from the up to the down. Darkness has its purpose. So today, whoever sent you this video, you are going to make that very person proud today. Follow the link below this very video. Follow the link below this video and connect you with your truth, with your ancestors, the Ankh bearers, Ankh, men and women who believes in walking with the light. If the universe intended that we dwell in darkness, there wouldn't be any sun and there wouldn't be any eyes given to us. If I want you to be depressed, I would continue to ask you to close your eyes so that we continue to pray PREY against each other. But today, LTB Light team member, we are asking you to open your eyes. That is the only way you can get away from depression, oppression, repression, subjugation, and from being subdued on earth like a dog, which you are not. We love you, we respect you, we honor you this day by this message. Do not allow it to be in vain. 94th day It's not an easy journey from day 1 to the 94th day of sacrificing our time. You who is here, we appreciate you for being here with us. And our testimony will not be complete until we meet you on the other side of the aisle. Follow this very book read by the successful. This is the simple symbol that guides them. It's not this voluminous book that is given to us that turned our continent into a dark continent, that turned our mind into a dark mind. I want you to see what the successful people here at top are doing. Number one, they are building the perfect pyramid, which in its perfection has light, has truth, and has unity. Surrounded by the sun, shielded by the sun, graced by the sun. And when you do it, our testimony will know no limits, will know no bounds. Coach MN signing off right now. See you again tomorrow, being the 95th day, and continuing this journey, which is 1001 day. Okay? You know, it's a long hurdle ahead, but we'll do it. Okay? Thank you so much.